What up, Easy Chefs? Welcome back to Easy Kitchen. If you're new to my channel, hit that red subscribe button and ring that notification bell. Ring that like bell also. Today, we're gonna prepare a brisket. Got some ideas from some friends. My friend Brian gave me some rub. My friend Nick Sailors. He's the smoker king. Teach me how to do this brisket. Got here a 12.79 pound brisket. Got it from Walmart. Let's trim some of this fat off. Start here. You don't want to trim all of it off. Just some, like this hard piece right here that doesn't render or melt. Let's trim some of that off. Got my little bag right here to throw it in. Let's get some of this that's oxidized over here. Trim some of that off. Hope I don't cut my hand off. It's my first time doing this, so bear with me. Trying to do this for the camera. I'm not really at the right angle. Back. Okay. You're gonna leave some of that there. This hard part right there, let's try to get that out. Okay. Shape this up a little bit. Hit this other side. It's a big piece of meat, y'all. Let's trim this side off right here. Try to grab it. That side is oxidized. Means it get brown a little bit when you take it out of the package. Now let's take this part off right here. All we doing is trimming the fat off, mainly so I can fit it in this pan I get. All right, let's flip it up over the other side. Let's trim some of this off. mainly want to cut the meat away from you, but since I'm right-handed, I'm trying to do this for the camera. See, I cut there too deep, so that right there. Got my oven on 225. I'm gonna slow cook this in the oven. I don't have a smoker. Don't really want to put it on my grill. All right, Nick, if you're watching this, am I doing this right? You may comment down below. All right, let's throw this rub on here. Guess this from my friend Brian. He's coming out with his own cooking show, Pork Chop Kitchen. Coming to you soon. Maybe in the next month or so, next 3 or 4 weeks.
Honey.
Oh yeah. We want to put. Thanks, honey, for reminding me about the honey. You want to put a base on there so that the rub will stay on there. You could either use honey or you can use mustard. I'm gonna use honey. See what happens when you try to run through stuff? Get some of this grease off my hands so I can open this tab. Dry my hands. There we go. This tab doesn't want to come off, y'all. I'm gonna rub some of this honey on there. Use it as a base. So that your rub will stay on there. I'm not a mustard eater, so I'm gonna use this honey. Rub that on there. Alright, let's try this again. I'm gonna put this rub on there. Just secret herbs and spices. I'm not trying to be like Kentucky Fried Chicken or anybody. I'm gonna pat this on there like this. Flip it over. Do the other side. Honey, don't forget the honey, or mustard, or whatever base you want to use. Alright. Sprinkle the rub on. It's really trial and error because when you're cooking a brisket, no matter how many you get, they're all different. So they all have different fat content. All the fat's not the same. Okay. Looks like I made a big mess, but in the end it'll be all worth it. Got my pan here. You got y'all? The meat's bigger than my pan. I'm about to stuff that in there. Now what I'm gonna do is cover this with foil. I got my oven on 225. So when I cover this with foil, what it's gonna actually do is increase the heat, so it'll allow it to cook better on the inside. Hopefully the juices don't overflow this pan. I'm gonna leave this in here for about 6 hours, 5-6 hours. Set my timer. So I'm gonna see y'all in 6 hours, y'all.